Starlight by Margaret Morales, Special Treatment version 1, begins with electric diamonds sprinkled in the sky in the background behind her. Special Treatment now adds more electric diamonds that are placed on her crown. So this would be mainly on the widest areas of her crown. These are the highlights, and we see the electric diamonds sparkling, and it is beautiful, making the crown really stand out. Alexandrite that has been placed on the starlights in the sky. So these are the crosses that we see. And also for version 3, we have added electric diamonds for her earrings.